eigen has value? Let's define a matrix A of size n by n. The eigenvalue equation for A is AV minus lambda V is equal to 0, which is equivalent to A minus lambda I times V is equal to 0. See, we have a non-zero solution V. The determinant of V minus lambda I is equal to 0. So lambda I is the I's eigenvalue, and the corresponding eigenvector is Vi.
Here, we demonstrate an example of eigenvalue application in structural dynamics. Say, we have a simple model of a two-story building with lambda mass m1, m2 at each floor and lateral stiffness k1, k2 respectively. We then define movement of each floor to be a vector of x. Write down the dynamic equilibrium equation for free vibration. We now have Ix total plus mass normalized stiffness matrix multiplied by x equal to 0. We further assume that the solution of x is equal to A multiplied by sine omega t. By simple derivation, we will get x multiplied by x minus omega squared multiplied by I equal to 0. This becomes an eigenvalue problem. Solve it. We get two natural frequencies, which are really eigenvalues, and two corresponding model shapes, which are really eigenvectors. Plug in some value of k1, k2, m1, m2, we can derive the model shapes. The actual structural dynamic response is no more than linear combination of the two modes. It is noted that each of these modes undergoes their corresponding eigenvalues as vibration frequency. Let's see a more realistic and complex model of an actual bridge. Here is the frame outlook of bridge model. I am showing the first 10 model shapes. They correspond to eigenvector of mass normalized stiffness matrix K and vibrates in their natural frequency, which is no more than their eigenvalues. Okay, as the previous model shapes are still, we are gonna simulate model shapes vibrates. Note that as the model raises, frequency or eigenvalues increase. In other words, the higher mod number it is, the faster the structure vibrates.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.